So first we see this come to sketch first. Hmm. So sketches is our sketch is uh, this one. Hmm? Uh, One sketch is this for this section. Uh, so this is our model. So one section is like this, and this is the section cut. Hmm? And one section is like this, only up to this portion. Mm. Then we get these things. So first we will create this revolve part. So to create this revolve part, we will create half portion of this cross section. Mm. Half portion of this cross section. So uh, we do these things first. So following this dimension, we will come to sketch here. Mm. Uh, and first we will take a line comment and start a figure as mm, um, just a normal sketch like this. And mm, we'll reduce this distance uh, then slightly uh, zoom and this one mm, to this one and stop here. Now we will provide dimension here. So this is the sketch. So from uh, this point to this point is 15, so it will be half of a 15, that is 7.5. And from this point to this point is 19, so half of a 19 is 9.5. And this will be this distance, this will be 4, total height will be 35. Okay. And next thing is this thickness is, it will be 2. It will be 2. And from this point to this point it will be 55. So come back to sketches and first defining the height to 35. Now asking for scale the entire sketch. Press yes. The entire scale is sketched based on first value. Now this point, this line to this line will become 15 of a half. And this axis, uh, this axis, now this axis, it will be also it will be 2, it will be 2. And from this line to this line it will be 19 of half, that is 9.5. And this value will be 4. And it will be 4, no, so it is bending, So what we do, we select this line by sir, and this line, and click parallel constant. Now now this will be 4 and this will be 6. Click on that, change to 6. Now up to this it is defined. Now pan it, and this to this axis it will be 55 and half, 55 by 2, and it will be 4, it will be 4, and remaining thing is this line to this axis, it will be to 1.3. हाँ सर, हो गया सर, जा रहे हैं. So so this is required, so come back to sketches. This is provided an angle. If we put angle here, what happens? Control Z, Control Z, Control Z. Do a angle, give a angle first, 21.3, and this is 21.3. Now to drawing, this is 4, this is 6, this is 2. Anything left? Anything left? This angle. So is angle 21.3 now. So what we have to give here? So this to this line, how much? 55.5. okay, and this is 21.3. These two, something is missing, that is this depth. No, So we have to give offset value. We miss the offset distance here. This line to this line, that dimension is missing. So if we push this, then uh, the figure become defined. So very little things we missed, no. So for that we facing this problem. So these things we have to also carefully mind this offset value. So this line to this line, what offset value is, so this is 2. Then it figure become fully defined. Now we see this case is saying this is fully defined. So to fully define we have created fully defined sketch. So everything we created based on dimension. So this is 15, 7.5, and this point to this point, this is 9.5, this means 19, 6, 2, so and this is 21.3, and this is 21.3. So now we will come back to sketch here. Close these things 1 second. Now this is our final sketch, okay, and we able to complete this sketch. Now we have to finish this sketch here. Click on finish, and uh, uh, 1 second. I want to recheck this. There is some mistake. It's there would be no mistake here. This will create problem later. 55 of it to 27.5, okay. 21.32, 5, 4, 6, and this 9.5 means 19, 7.5 means 15, this depth will be 6, it will be 2, it will be 2, and it will be 35, right? 35, right? Yes, 35, and it will be 4. So everything looks right. Finish this sketch. Now next operation is we have to transfer this thing to solid to so next thing is we have to create this round figure, this round figure. So to create this round figure, round body, we have to revolve this. So this is just sectional cross section part of that round model. So if we rotate this cross section through this z axis 360 degree, then we are able to create 3D round model. So to create this we need to use this revolve tool, this one revolve tool. Then as a curve it will be that cross section curve. Mode will be infrared or connected curve, or in that mode you just select that sketches. Now asking for specify vector and specify point. So in a specify vector you select this one vector, this vector z axis, this is x axis. So you select z axis, this one, click on here z axis, okay. Now axis selected. Now loading the result, okay. Just we have to wait. So loading the result following that z axis. So now we have to specify the point, this one, this the point. Now it is fully all value is applied, given. So there is no other body, there will be no boolean operation. So this will be the final body. So this is our single operation. So we will place OK here to close this uh, window after this operation. So place OK. Hmm? So then we will able to create this part first. So next portion next portion is we have to create that part and that part. Okay. So to create these things we have to first identify this we have to first identify the point, which point, mm, this so this part in that cross section things comes, no. So this part is comes from this model portion. So if we tried this one, then we have to follow this angle and these things. hmm. So which this portion we will take first or this portion will take first, that's we have to decide. We have to decide in that way that uh, which which portion among these two, which portion we will keep in a front plane, in a front plane. So our this one is a model. So this is front plane. Front plane. So if we see from top, if we see from top, mm, if we see from top, uh, which things will come. Sorry. If we see from top, uh, then if we imagine that part, that part, uh, that part will be in that portion naturally, then we have to take that front plane as a sketch plane for this portion. hmm? Or another way, if we see this part will be in a front plane, will be this is the cross section of the front plane, then this part will be in a will be sketched in a front plane. Hmm. So which among these two, which portion, this portion or this portion, we will choose to create in a front section, front plane cross section, that portion we have to select first. Hmm. If we select this portion will be then this is will be our in a front plane. We have to create these things. If we think these things will be in here, then these things will have to create in a front plane. Then it will be in another plane. So suppose we think this will be created in a front plane cross section of this revolved model. Okay. So then we have to we have to follow these things. We have to follow these things. So if we zoom it for this portion, if we zoom it uh, here, something is defined, uh, angle, this height. So we have to follow all these things. So first we have to uh, mm, we have to select the front plane. We have to select the front plane. So in take a isometric view, so and select the sketch. In sketch you select this one, uh, where we created first our this default sketch first, so we have we first we created this sketch in right plane, so basically it is front plane. So now also we will create another that sketch of that portion, of the remaining portion. Which portion? This portion. To that plane in a different sketch window. We will open another new sketch window. So select that plane for sketch, then uh, sketch mode is on, coming. So now today we will have to make up to this. In that portion we will see in remaining class. Okay. mm. Thank you.